Mount Everest is the tallest mountain above sea level, standing at 8,848.86 meters, 29,031.7 feet. But did you know that Mauna Kea, a dormant volcano in Hawaii, is taller when measured from its base? Starting from the ocean floor, Mauna Kea rises more than 10,000 meters, though only 4,007 meters are above sea level. This makes Mauna Kea the tallest mountain in the world by height from base to summit. Everest gets the glory because of its visible height and extreme conditions. Climbers who tackle Everest face challenges like thin air and sub-zero temperatures. Mauna Kea, on the other hand, offers stunning views, including starry skies, as it hosts some of the world's best observatories. Both mountains remind us of Earth's incredible natural diversity and the spirit of exploration.